Welcome. Today for unboxing I have the We Hear Pro from Loewe. I think that's how you pronounce it, but genuinely I have no clue. So that's basically the, I think, brand name. And like I said, I'm not sure how to really pronounce that. And this is the model. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. We do have seals to cut through. There we go. Now the box is constructed solidly, so there shouldn't be much of a problem with transport. I don't think damaging it is even possible. The amount of hard cardboard box that they have, along with the inside even. So yeah. Now below that we have strap, braided cable. It's a Type-C to Type-C, which is even branded. Got a pin of some sorts, not sure, presume it could be probably going to one of these as a button or whatever. Oh, there's another one, and the instruction. Lots of thick instruction. Okay, anyway, that to the side, and a bit of paper right here. 3 layers, if not more. So here it is. Okay, so let's put it up and see how it sounds. The buttons do require a little bit of force. Now I'm trying to see if... Oh, that's pretty cool. So this is a touch surface. Okay. Well, I presume it's already in pairing mode, but I'm not 100% sure. We do have this blinking right here. Yep, it is already in pairing mode. We can see right here. Failed to pair. Well, let's try it again. Oh, pair. Okay, that was an interesting pairing sound. Now, I'm going to navigate to YouTube and start off some crab rave. Let's lower it down a little bit. Yeah, it sounds pretty loud, bassy, clear. It's actually sounding better than I expected. Now it does have a size to it, so it shouldn't probably come as a surprise to me, but honestly I haven't heard about this company before, so actually it sounds really good for the fact that this is the first time I'm actually hearing about it. Now, I have no clue what the price range of this device is, so let's quickly check, as this could obviously change my perspective on how good it sounds. So is that it? Oh, that's a small one. Let's add this. Okay, it's not necessarily the cheapest thing. So it comes at over $250 $50. That would be about 270 bucks for the speaker. That also includes tax, so it's actually on a bit more expensive side. Now that price range, it is competing with some more well-known brands, for instance like JBL, which size-wise are, I would say, very comparable. Quality-wise, I'm not sure. I don't really have them side by side to compare them, so that would be something that you could check out. And this speaker apparently has a power of about 100 watts max of play, so it does seem pretty high for this kind of size, and considering that it does have a built-in battery. So yeah, I mean, it still seems like a decent speaker. It packs a lot of bass. So yeah, there we go. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.